Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and go to Google. Now go to all services, and then you have to find parental controls and click let's do this. Then click sign in. And you have to type in your email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And scroll down and click accept. And then click on supervise. Now click next, and here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next, and you have to enter your parent password. Then you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next, click allow, and scroll down and click next. Then click done, and as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.